Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Goda.
I'm Neela.
So today we are doing another 24-hour challenge. This time we are gonna do living in a tent for 24 hours. So here you can see this is our tent. So we are gonna spend 24 hours in this tent.
So yeah, it's 10:01. Oh wow. 15th. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. So
You can see our ring light too.
Oh.
Wow. Yeah.
So yeah, we'll just show you what we put inside. We'll just give you a small tour.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll get started with the challenge.
So we have added a little fairy lights on top of our tent just to make it look cute. Probably we'll show you at the night as well how it looks and all. Coming to the inside part of the tent, we added pillows just to make it look a little cozy and for us to feel little cozy and all. And this side we have few activities planned for us so that we won't get bored staying 24 hours in the tent. And then coming to this side, we have our snacks. Yay! And apart from this, we do also have electronics to put. So probably we'll just show you when we do that. So we have our laptops over here, and then we have all our connections and all over here. And yeah, we have our water bottle too, just in case you're wondering.
So as you guys can see, we are actually twinning.
Yeah.
Blue, white.
Right, same pant.
So let's start the challenge. We're sorry, it's very congested, honestly.
So we already had our breakfast and we got freshen up and all. So now till lunchtime we have to do some kind of time pass. So we are thinking to see BTS Grammy performance. We still did not watch.
So we got our ring light inside because there's bad lighting, obviously. So I guess it's better. But we're gonna sweat.
Yeah.
We're all bad.
We're trying to adjust it, but it's not happening. Yeah. Success.
So we are the dumb people.
So we just saw BTS performance
And we gave you a review kind of thing. And then we realized it's not recording.
Yeah, exactly.
Amazing.
So yeah, we really loved the performance. It was amazing.
The last part, oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
love
good.
them. Love them.
Yeah.
So probably you guys will be like, that's a review? No, I know. but it's just, we don't remember what we said. Like, it
Exactly.
was just in the moment where you're like, it was so good.
So
and you
good.
just like, you go on.
Correct.
But we're just gonna stick to this now. And I'm sorry if you guys could hear something. Because that's her mom. In the kitchen, she's like,
What do you mean by chuk 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 chuk?
I don't know.
Washing utensils.
So we changed the angle because it looked like she was falling out of the tent. So
True. So we have to kill, I guess, more 1.5 hour
Or
two
almost
hours
2 hours.
almost for lunch. So we are thinking to watch, the BTS videos, whichever we missed. So we did not watch
the V-Live of Jungkook and even RM, Jimin and Jin.
Jin, yeah.
So, and we even have run episodes. So we have to
So-
cover all that.
We're gonna binge watch BTS episodes.
We have a lot of content.
So that will really help us to kill time. So yeah.
It might look all dark, but it's just all the time.
It's 12:15.
16.
Yeah, 16. It's
Bad lighting.
yeah. Struggles.
So we've completed. Oh, sorry. We've completed the V11 like few episodes. So now again we're gonna watch and
Run BTS episode.
we're gonna again watch a Run BTS episode. I have to watch again.
Probably. Let's watch their Born Voyage episodes.
We didn't watch completely.
Yeah.
We have to complete that. I feel the camera's okay, now you guys are fine. Oh no. Hi. So,
it's lunchtime. Currently it is 2:13. So we're gonna.
it's so weird because we almost dozed off while watching it.
We watched how many episodes? Two
Two
episodes
episodes.
of Born Voyage. So it's actually very entertaining. Like you don't even know how many hours you spent on watching that episode.
It's fun if you guys like never watched it. You guys have to watch it. It's
Yeah.
so much fun. Like you get to have that you guys know like there's no one has this big group and stuff, but how they do daily chores and stuff.
Yeah.
It's really nice. We're gonna have lunch and then probably sleep for some time because we are extremely tired.
Very tired.
So
First we'll have our lunch.
yes, I guess our dad is getting it.
Yep.
It's ready.
Thank you.
Right.
So
For lunch we are having normal dal and rice.
I don't know why dad has put like so much of rice. We usually don't eat so much.
Yeah.
We eat like limited, but I don't know. Today is like you guys are not gonna come out, so let me just feed you.
True. Very true. Okay.
So so a mom took our plates. I don't know what to say. What do people say? I don't know how do people talk. Yeah, I'm just like one sentence that I'm just like, what do I say? Like I told you guys what I wanted to know. What do I say? How do I prolong it?
Hi, we just woke up. I guess it's around. So it's been a while after you saw the last clip. We again slept, and we woke up like 5 minutes ago. The current time is close to 6.
You can see it.
Yeah. So probably we are thinking to freshen up a little.
Yeah.
By the way, we did not go or take pee break from morning, from 10 o'clock. So
we think this is a perfect time because obviously it's scary. We didn't go to pee this morning. So
yeah, and also at the same time we can freshen up a little also.
So we'll just have like 10 minutes time, 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
And yeah, we are back.
So yeah, now we will maybe have some Bonvita milk, and then I have my assignment to do, and she has some work editing and stuff, so she'll
Yeah.
do that. I'll do my assignment, and
Possibly we can kill some time.
hopefully, and maybe we might have early dinner today.
Yeah.
So let's see.
we have been editing and working for almost 1 hour 45 minutes, I guess. And I guess we need a break.
Yeah.
Like real bad.
Yeah. So I guess we'll play a game just to like chill ourselves.
Yeah.
Chill ourselves? just to like, chill a bit and yeah, not to take stress.
Yeah, she's stressing out about her college assignment. So just imagine. And the worst thing is that she doesn't even have a credit. I don't know for what she's stressing out so much.
Yeah. So
Anyway,
no judgments.
anyway.
I'm not that studious, okay? Just in case I just have to put it in there.
So we are gonna play game.
Guess who?
Guess who? I hope everyone knows it. It's quite an old game. So yeah.
We'll show you the game.
Yes.
If you guys don't remember this game, we'll just give you a gist of it. Yeah. Yeah. So you will have two, I don't know what is this, panels of people like this. Wow. Yeah. And you will have this small flash cards kind of a thing of all the faces. All the faces. So what you have to do is you have to randomly choose. And the opposite person will keep asking questions. Depending on those questions, you have to guess which person that the opposite person has chosen. So just imagine I got I got David. Okay, so I'm gonna ask I got David, so she's gonna ask does your guy have beard? So my guy has beard here. So the people whoever they don't have beard, she's gonna close off those. Yep. So I hope you are. Exactly. And we're gonna munch on some biscuits, I guess. Probably because we're really hungry. So who remembers this flavor? I used to love this. We used to love it. Okay. So rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, fine. We thought it's gonna be like a fun game for like half an hour or something. We've been playing it since like 2 hours almost.
2 hours? I guess it was 1.5 hour. Where is your phone? What's the time?
1 hour maybe. 9.
Yeah, it's 9:10. When did we start?
7:40.
I guess it was something. I don't actually remember the time. Yeah, it's 9:10.
And our dad's
Dinner
getting dinner.
ready.
Yeah, you heard it. So we are gonna have some dinner.
Biryani.
Yeah, we're gonna have biryani for dinner.
Because you got exhausted.
Thank you. So dinner is done.
Yep, we had some yummy biryani.
And we're sorry if you guys can hear something because our dad is watching a movie and stuff, so sorry.
And we took a second tea break. And now it's desert time, so we're gonna have some cornetto.
And our parents found this, like we are shifting in few days, so we were like digging up old stuff, so we found this traditional, obviously like traditional gold snake and ladder game. So we're gonna play that.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're gonna chill for some time again. That's what we've been doing. We don't have dice and we were planning to play. Wow. So smart.
We are checking if there is any online dice.
Or at least app.
Yeah. We found the direct in Google online dice, so we are gonna play with that.
been almost half an hour that
Yeah.
we've been playing. So we'll get back to editing and I'll get back to my work.
Yep, we actually stopped it in between, so we are gonna get back to those two things and maybe finish it by 12. Probably will check in with you guys after some time. So after a lot of time pass of playing games, editing and doing all of those stuff, we could kill time, and currently it is 1:42, right? So now we slept in the afternoon, right? So we are little sleepy, not like so sleepy, but yeah, we are little sleepy. So
It just mostly it's because I guess it's getting hard because we can't like sit up straight.
yeah.
So the back is like it's gone.
Yeah.
So I guess that's where it's hard. That's it. All
Yeah.
else is pretty fine. You can actually like you can chill if
So now we are thinking to nail paint.
you're not good at it though.
Yeah, very bad.
You're gonna see now. I'm pretty sure. I guess this is what we say in like every video. We're not good at it.
Exactly.
We're actually generally not good at it.
True.
So this is the color. We have to buy new ones. This is the only one we could find which is in the working condition. So we're going with this. And only for one hand because the classic black is not working. So we're just sticking to this for one hand.
So it's 2:02 and I'm damn sleepy. So I'm going to sleep, but she's not, because she has a presentation to do. So she'll continue doing that. I don't know when she's gonna sleep, but I am gonna sleep because I have work to do tomorrow.
I'm sorry if you can't hear me because of the fan, but good night.
Hi guys, good morning. So it's been a while since we got up. Currently the time is 10:16. So we are done with the challenge, the 24 hours. So we are good to go. So probably we'll just freshen up a little and then get back to you. So yeah, that's it with the challenge, guys. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please do subscribe,
Like
comment,
and share.
until then, bye.